Tyson and I are trying some Asian food, and we are also trying some very spicy ramen noodles. So these are the noodles. They're just spicy. It's just a spicy noodle soup. I don't know that they're like chicken or beef or whatever. So we got some drinks, we got some chips, and we got a dessert. So I can't read this, but the lady in the store said this one is just a green tea. This one is like an orange flavored tea. And then this one is a yogurt that has a lime taste to it. These are the hot and spicy chips. This is dessert. It's like they don't look appetizing. It's like a slug. We also bought some other soup that we're gonna try. This one is kimchi. Never had that before. Oh, and also I just finished cooking these. These are red bean and paste pie. And I made these. It keeps focusing on your face. I made these in the air fryer. Tyson doesn't want any milk.
I got this.
He thinks he can handle it. We also got these cool spoons too. Oh, it's still so hot. Oh, it doesn't smell good.
I smelled it was good.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
Oh.
I'm just gonna eat it fast.
At first we were gonna try to do a challenge to see who could get through the soup fastest, but it's kind of hot. Like spicy. It's hitting the back of my throat.
Spicy.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's gonna be a perfect time for an ASMR session.
What is that?
Basically, just someone has the mic up, and they have the mic like volume all the way up, and all they do is whisper.
Tyson's using the spoon.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
Are you gonna be alright?
What's this thing stuff?
It's spicy.
Oh.
Let's try some of our... Ooh, it smells good.
That's gonna make it worse. Why'd you do that?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
So good.
Here, try it. Try it. That's amazing.
I try.
Isn't it? Oh my god, it's so good.
Tastes like candy.
I'm already starting to feel sweaty. How's that? Is it alright?
It's pretty good. Lime.
Lime flavored yogurt. Right?
It's like a creamy. Oh, it's spicy. I'm ready to get the other ones.
You know what'd be really better? If we did a challenge, there's always gotta be a forfeit.
What? We need some tissue.
My lips are on fire.
Is it really that spicy?
Yeah.
It's pretty warm. Ooh, it's hitting the back of the throat. Oh yeah,
Oh.
give me those. Oh, these are hot too. I can't even taste it. It tastes like dessert. What do it taste like?
I don't know. Backpack? I don't know.
I feel like my mouth is paralyzed.
Yeah. Yeah.
How come I have more than you?
Because I haven't been chowing. Give me
I told you.
Mom's always right.
All right, I'm gonna hose on this because Tyson's winning.
Look at the cat. You want all this?
Yes, in a bowl, not the whole jug.
A bowl?
Not a bowl, a cup. Why would you give me the...
You said bowl.
I know.
Yeah, you did. And if you're... He's delirious because the soup is so hot.
What?
That's all right. Go ahead and pour it.
What's wrong with
You might need a lot. Uh-oh. I'm losing noodles.
It gets worse when you get to the bottom. It's like, that's where all the sauce is. Ugh.
Why? Why do people make this? Why? How do you like this if you eat this? Wow. If you don't have heating in your house and it's cold outside, eat some of this soup. It won't be a problem.
Oh.
My lips are burning.
Let's try the hot chips. Oh. You want some hot chips? Ooh, those are good.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tyson beat me. Should we eat the other soup?
I don't know.
Should we try that?
I don't know. I like these.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that tastes like, but I like them. It's like kind of a barbecue.
I have a feeling we're going to be in trouble later. Good Lord.
It's spicy.
He's drinking a lot of milk. This is so good. Do you want to try the other soup or no?
I don't know. I want to look up what kimchi is.
Oh, I'm not drinking the juice.
No.
Mm-mm. 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 Oh, the juice is bad.
Steak.
I'm not drinking it. How did you not have any?
Is a traditional side dish made from salted and fermented vegetables, mostly cabbage.
I'm not drinking the juice or the liquid.
There's chili powder in this.
Yeah, but it might not be hot.
I want to drink it.
I'm not drinking it.
I'll drink
You want it?
I just want to
Oh my
taste
god.
It looks so bad.
Oh my god. Oh, it's bad, isn't it? It's just all of it is in there. Oh, it's so hot.
It's like spicy afterwards. Not like as you're eating it. It's just
Oh my
like,
god. These are not good.
no.
These are not good at all.
I don't know if I like this.
I'm glad that they're not
It's not
expensive. Ugh.
Oh gosh. I'm not looking for.
Wow, those are so bad.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
I'm nervous.
It's cornstarch.
I'm nervous. They look so bad.
It's not good. No, you have to take a bigger bite than that. Get it in there. Oh, they're so bad. These are not good. These are not good. No. Let's see if the dog will eat them. Come here, Doo-Doo.
Ew.
Doo-Doo. She's eating it. Oh, wow.
Did you finish it?
Wow. She's eating it. These are so bad. You guys, these are not good.
It was like Play-Doh.
It was too slug-like. It's like jelly, no.
Gelatin?
Yeah, it's gooey and the flavor is bad. The flavor tastes like these. Ugh, I need something good.
Those taste really good though.
Chips.
I like these.
These are good. I like these. They don't smell good, but they taste good.
These are amazing.
Also, these are really good. If you've never had these.
Green tea.
Yeah, they're green tea Kit Kats. They're so good. Oh my God. Those. I mean, this. I don't even have words, guys. And I usually don't over-exaggerate when I don't like something. So, and it's green tea with creamy filling. Where's the creamy filling? Oh. There it is. Oh, they're so bad. Let's try the orange. See how this tastes. That's good too. I like these. All right, we're gonna make this other bag of soup. We'll be back. All right, so here's the other one. We're getting ready to eat. This one's not supposed to be spicy. Look, there's cornstarch all over my chopsticks. I don't understand how I've seen those videos where people will literally take the noodles right out of the pan and start eating them. How?
It's so hot.
I also saw a video where a girl was eating nuclear noodles or ramen or whatever, and this poor girl, I was having a hard time breathing watching her. And I felt sweaty and sick watching her. She was having such a hard time. It's about to go down over here. There's a cat and a dog. You better steer clear, buddy. Well, let's see if Sam will eat one of these. It's like a slug. You gonna eat that? He just backed away from me like, what did you put in my mouth? Hey man, no, you better sit over here. Don't you? He's about to go that way. You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna hide it. Yep. You better eat that. He's like, what is this? You have to bite it. You bite it. Daisy ate it. Daisy was like, I don't care.
Oh, there he is.
Daisy would eat a chocolate covered turd. She doesn't care.
She would.
Look at him. He's like, what is this? Daisy's, I'll take another slug. Hand it over. Ah,
so
look at him. He's like, what is it? He can't figure it out. He keeps spitting it out. He's so funny. You gonna eat it? He's still chewing. What's happening over there, guy? Oh, did he eat it? Did he eat the whole thing? Look at him. Good boy. He goes, what is that? Oh, it's so hot. You see the steam? I had to put my hair up because I knew that eating that other stuff was going to be... Hey, what's up? You want another slug? His face is right here. What? This is good.
Yeah.
This is really good. No problem here. Sam's head is in my lap. Oh, it's so hot.
Yeah. What are you doing,
Can I help you? No, you get your head out of there.
dude? He's so nosy.
This cat likes chips. No way, guy.
Look. Look.
I think, do cats have bad depth perception?
Oh, I swear he does.
I can put something in my hand. He doesn't see it. If it's like right on the tip of my fingers, he doesn't see it. It's
Do
really
you see
weird.
it?
Yeah, he'll put his head in
He
there.
put his paw in there.
Hey, you want to try a slug? Look at him, he's using chopsticks. He's doing so good.
Sort of.
Sort of. Oh, I'm so glad this isn't burning a hole in my mouth. You guys are missing the show. The cat's leg was straight up in the air. Look at him. He loves laying on boxes and paper. Freaking hobo.
He's so weird.
I'm full.
Yeah.
I'll never make it in any of those mukbang videos. How do those people eat that much food?
Right.
How do they do it?
They just,
And then the hot stuff too.
do they eat it fast?
Not necessarily. Well,
Really?
some of them time themselves. Like this
Is
girl
it-
last night had 5 bowls of food and she
If
set a
you eat
timer
it-
for 20
You eat
minutes.
it fast, you eat like too much food. Or you eat it fast and then you don't really know that you're full.
I would throw up. I would throw up. Like, I don't know if any of you watch Trisha Paytas. Every once in a while I watch her videos and she will order so much food. And I have a hard, like, I can watch it, but I'm just sitting there thinking to myself, how can you put that much food in your body at one time? Like, I'm having a hard time with this. And all I had was 1 bowl of soup and I didn't even drink the liquid. How? I did it. I finished. I can't do anymore. But it's like it's sitting in front of you, you just want to finish it, you know what I mean? And then you take a bite and then you're just like, why did I do that? So then you push it away and then you take another bite like what he's doing and you think, why did I do that? Because then when you go sit down and you are uncomfortable and you're already wearing stretchy pants, there's no button to undo, then what? You can go make a trip to the bathroom. Alright, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Say something.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Or not, because...
You won't see him for a long time. Have a great day and we'll see you all again very soon.